Hi guys, here I am at camp preparing my fabulous tuna salad for my lunch, and I wanted to show you how I did this, how I can make it low fat and still amazingly tasty and healthy. So here we go, putting the camera down on the counter. I just want you to know that I save the tops of celery after they've been washed, and I use that to put in my base. Oh, I'm not an angel, that's a light behind me, not a halo. Then I wash fresh parsley, basil, and this fabulous thyme. I have a couple different types of thyme that I like to use. I especially like the German and the English thyme. Okay, so I'm going to chop those up. Strip them first, of course. And like I said, they're all washed and ready to rock and roll. Once I've got the herbs stripped, which I probably should have done ahead of time, I'll go ahead and chop everything up. And this I will mix with low-fat mayonnaise, but there's a secret ingredient as well. All right. Beautiful Wusthof. Gotta have a good knife. Smells amazing, and you can even imagine how this will make your tuna fish taste. Today I have grilled swordfish and grilled tuna fish, compliments of last night's dinner. All right, there's that. I don't waste a bit of herbs. You know how precious they are, right? When we don't have them in the wintertime. So I'm going to add a little bit of no-fat mayonnaise. Low-fat mayonnaise, actually. The non-fat mayonnaise is nasty. And my own homemade lemon maple vinaigrette. This is the secret sauce. Probably about a tablespoon, a little bit more. And then probably about 2 teaspoons. Yeah, just about. That's going to make my aioli for my tuna. Okay, there's my base. Tuna and swordfish from last night's dinner, well preserved, and the aluminum foil that was wrapped in. This tuna and swordfish was marinated in my favorite marinade. That'll be another live. But it's got cumin, paprika, and sea salt and pepper. I already stripped the tuna of the rind, skin. Chop it up fine. I can still smell the cumin and the paprika. Oh, and coriander, by the way. I use smoked paprika, my favorite, if you can find it. All right, there's a ton of fish here. Hope I have enough base. Let's give that a try. See how that works. I think I'm good with my base. This is looking pretty, almost green goddess tuna, so that you can see that. We're looking good here. Mix well. And more secret sauce. Will be the cracked pepper. Ta-da! I like lots of pepper. In the restaurants, they call me the carpal tunnel girl. Ta-da! Homemade tuna salad. Hope you enjoy. Bon appetit!